More than 60 harps will be played at a concert at the Royal Hospital Kilmainham on this Sunday to mark the 30th birthday of Music Network, Ireland's national live music and touring agency. The concert will feature newly composed work as well as tunes from the collection of Edward Bunting, which date back to the 18th century.
The Irish harp. It's, if you like, a modern version of older instruments that we've had through the centuries, and for a variety of reasons it evolved into this larger instrument which has some European influences, and we play on catgut and metal strings, and we also have this this wonderful lever system which I love.
Classical harpist Anne-Marie O'Farrell is one of the musicians taking part in Sunday's concert, which will feature tunes collected by famed collector Edward Bunting at the Belfast Harp Festival of 1792. New music by the Irish composer Philip Martin will also be performed at the concert. In fact, the harp as an instrument is going through something of a revival, according to traditional harper Laoise Kelly.
We've just had the Achill International Harp Festival and we've celebrated the instrument, and there was an appetite for 3 concerts in a row, and I think the country, if they were exposed to it a bit more, would really appreciate it.
Over 60 harps will be played at the free concert, which will take place at the Royal Hospital Kilmainham, marking Music Network's 30th birthday with a celebration of this most Irish of instruments. Sinead Crowley, RTE News.